Greetings. I wanted to take a second today to show you some of the documentation that comes with each and every gyrotechnic kit that we sell. We want to make the assembly process as easy and fun as possible. So with doing this, we are providing 2D and 3D PDF drawings of the entire system. So let's start with some with the 2D PDFs first of all. Okay, so here we're looking at some 2D PDF drawings. To view these, I am using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Now, Adobe Acrobat Reader is a free download off the web. Otherwise, I think most new computers come installed with it already. So you don't have any expensive CAD software or anything like this. Everything that you'll receive on a USB flash drive with your kit, you'll be able to open up and view just like I'm about to show you right here, at no cost to you. So here we got frame assembly. You can see everything, all the parts are ballooned out with part numbers. Let's just look at like number 3 here. We'll go to page 2. Number 3, we have the item, quantity, part number, and it is an engine mount angle, right side. Pretty clear for where that goes. Let's take a look at the rotor heads here. Rotor head, little ISO view of it here. We got item numbers, quantities, part numbers, and description. A little more complicated part here with a lot of internal stuff, so I give you on the next page, I'll give you an exploded view like this. So a lot easier to see what's going on inside, a lot clearer how everything goes together. But there again, you'll have the part numbers. You can refer back to the parts list and figure out which bolt, which part, and where it goes. Let's take a look at wheel group here. Same thing. We got an axle, we got the caliper disc, hub, nut, and again, a little parts list right here. Take a look at an instrument pod. Again, you can see the sub-assemblies here, the tube where the rudder pedals go, all the bolts and stuff. Like number 20 here, look on the list over here, come down to 20. There are 8 of those. It's an AN4-5A, meaning it's a 5/8 long quarter-inch bolt. Let's go to the PR drive that mounts to the back of the Rotax gearbox. Sends the power up for your pre-rotated drive shaft. Here again, kind of a condensed one, a lot going on there, very big parts list. So next page, exploded view. Kind of shows a nice easy call out, got little leader lines where things go together and stuff. This one is a little trickier to put together, but take your time, no problem. Now we'll get into the 3D PDF drawings. Now Adobe Acrobat Reader does 3D drawings as well. It works pretty good, a little clumsy, but if you play with it for a while and just play with the tools here, so the view tools, and then get used to the browser on the side here, you'll get the hang of it. So basically on these here, you got a pan, I can rotate the part around, just like that. I can click on the part, highlight it, come over here to the browser. You'll see that's a 4-gallon tank with the SE-AE5 for the fuel level sender. We can click on, we can rotate around, I can zoom into the bottom here, I can click on this bolt here, and that is a AN4-5A. So if you have any question what bolt goes where, how long it should be, you open up this 3D drawing and you can zoom in on exactly what your question is, unlike not having the right angle on a photo or video or something like that where you can never quite get it in the view, but here you got everything. The entire model is on these drawings. Let's try another one. Let's try the nose wheel. Excuse me. Same thing. Click on a part. It'll highlight over in the browser here. You can rotate the part around. You can turn parts on and off, zoom in and out on the parts. Click on another part. There's AN4-7A. So the entire machine, the entire kit, is in both 2 and 3D drawings. Now this is besides the regular written documentation, step-by-step assembly instructions. So. And this was the Adobe Acrobat. Now let's take another look at another option that you have for viewing them. Okay, here we got my Samsung Tab A tablet. I'm opening up 3D PDF Viewer. I really like this program. We'll open up one here, the wheel group here, and just the graphics and stuff are so nice and so smooth. You can zoom in. Double click on a part, highlights, there's the name right there. You can hide, isolate, just that by itself from the assembly. You rotate that piece around, double tap, go back to the assembly. The viewing is just so nice and clean on this one. Let's try another one. Let's try the fuel tanks here. Again, nice shaded view. You can rotate around, click on a part, see the name, turn off the visibility, zoom in. Let's see, let's try and pick a bolt here or something, and there's an AN45A. So we know exactly what that one is. Double tap, go back to the main assembly. Just so smooth and fluid in the shaded view like this. Really easy to understand. Let's go back. Let's try one more. This is the bridge assembly that holds springs for the landing gear. We'll tap. Oh, I got a washer there. There's the bolt. So that's an AN425A. I'll turn off a plate and you can play with it. It's got cutting planes and stuff in it and everything, but just so smooth and simple. I just love this one.